Today, we are taking a quick look at the Monoprice 1.5ft 5-RCA component cable. This professional-grade wire features 22AWG, RG-59 coaxial construction, arriving in standard, frustration-free plastic packaging for convenience. As we remove the cable, you can see the ends, with the RCA connectors, are nicely protected in their own plastic dust covers. They have color-coded connectors for RGB video and stereo audio. The build is notably substantial, utilizing a thick outer jacket that protects the internal copper braiding and shielding from external interference. While the RG-59 standard makes this cable significantly thicker than your average wires, it remains surprisingly flexible. It is ideal for tight spaces behind media consoles, where rigid cables might put undue stress on your equipment's ports. In real-world use, these cables excel at carrying 480p, 720p, and even 1080i signals. They worked well for us, without ghosting or signal noise, making them a perfect companion for high-end retro gaming setups or legacy DVD players. We hope you found this video informative.